Thank you so much.
So,
Oh, I will listen.
okay, good. I thought that you're in a hurry. So I don't mind if you leave, but I can. I know the times are very intense for you here. On your question on the 2 million rounds initiative. So the good thing is that things are moving. We are seeing different member states coming up with their announcement for the rounds. So recently we have France announced 2 billion euros. Germany pledged 12 billion over next year. Sweden pledged 1.4 billion. Belgium today, or was it yesterday, announced 1 billion. So altogether, we are already, calculating it's providing over 50% of this Ukraine ammunition needs this year. But of course, it's 50%, so we still need to work on that. What is the main obstacle? Main obstacle is, of course, money, the funding. We have done the rearm and given the possibilities and fiscal also possibilities to do this, but it's up to the member states to make the decisions. Then on your second question on the US and Russian negotiation process. So, it takes two to want peace, but it only takes one to want war. And this is clearly what we see right now, that Russia wants war and continues with these attacks that are horrendous and more serious than ever, attacking children directly when no military buildings or military organizations around by attacking this civilian population. So therefore, Russia is clearly showing that they don't want peace. Now the question is, what are we doing about this? And I think the right answer is to really put the pressure on the one who wants war, which is Russia, for them to actually want peace. Thank you.
The Commission is fully committed to